Hey everybody, welcome back to A Better Computer. My name is Matt, and a quick video today to show you a new feature in Arc called Air Traffic Control. And basically this is for opening links in the correct space in Arc every time. So I have a couple spaces in Arc. I have this on my work computer and my home computer. This is my home computer. But basically you can see here's kind of just the sites that I'm using most often, the ones I'm logged into. And then I have a second space for YouTube stuff where I'm signed into YouTube Studio. I'm signed into Epidemic Sound. And if I'm doing research for a video, I'll have other tabs going down here. But sometimes I'll just be doing my normal stuff, get an email or something, and oh, here's a link to Epidemic Sound. Let me check out the playlists. And ooh, it opens here. I'm not logged in, so I can't really download anything. I need to drag it, move it over to the other space. It reloads. And now I'm signed in and I can do everything, but wouldn't it be nice if this just knew this should load in this space? So that can be done now with the new air traffic control feature. So we go into our app preferences. You can go to links, and then air traffic control is new down here at the bottom. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get the URL. So let me actually go back over here, Epidemic Sound, and let's just pull epidemicsound.com. So that's the domain that I always want to open over here. So going back to the app settings, air traffic control, let's create a new route. And so when the URL contains epidemicsound.com, I want to open in, we'll do a better computer. So that's this middle section right here. And you can add more. So you can add a new route with the different URLs, as many as you want. The URLs can be specific, or you can be just general with the contains qualifier. But we just have one here for Epidemic Sound links to open in the second space. Close this all down. And again, I'm in my normal space. When I go to this email now and click the link, it opens it in the correct space for me. I'm really going to enjoy doing this because I do this more often than you'd think, especially on my work computer where I have different kind of contexts. So this is really awesome. You can do it with whatever URLs, of course. You can do as many as you want, but that's one example that hopefully gives you some inspiration for how you could use this as well. Thank you so much for watching.